So we got a POV today. We got the wide view because you guys seem to like it with the GoPro. I tried to do different ones, but I saw the best one everybody's liking is the wide, not the ultra wide, because I guess you can't see anything. But we're in the rain right now. As you guys can see, it's wet outside. Y'all hear that? Love that sound. That's like the best thing about this car, bro. That sound. I love that whine. But yeah, y'all can see it's like raining like pretty good today. I mean, the weather ain't terrible. It's just a little bit wet, you could say. That exhaust too sounds good. Like, it's a good blend, right, with the Corsa Extreme exhaust. It's like, it's not super like obnoxious, but you can hear the whine still. Like, I know people will be like, oh, you should go catless or something, but if you go catless, you can't even hear the whine at that point. Like, it's so annoying. Like, I want to hear the whine. That's why I love this car. But I feel like a lot of people I've watched, if they ever like go super loud, they just like regret it. They want to go back to a quieter exhaust. And some don't, but you know, if you're not doing it for any purpose other than to be loud, I don't see the point of it. Oh, this truck is trying to go. Oh man, why are you stopping? Oh my god. That sounds so good. That sounds insanely good. I love that whine. These people are slowing down for what? Is there like a line of people? I don't know. But I can't see around this guy. I gotta turn left actually here, but I don't know how far can I go? Nah, this is a turn lane for that, so I have to wait. I would have went, but you never know when somebody's turning in that middle lane to go here, so you don't want to do that. Better to be safe than sorry, you know what I mean? Like, I do not need to lose this car to anything. This guy is going this way too, really? Yeah, you stay over there. I'm going this side. Got a Ram Rebel truck in front. Good amount of traffic though today, that's for sure. So yeah, you know, this is like, oh, that truck sounded crazy. That one truck that went by had a little bit of exhaust done to it. Was like a, I think it sounded like a V6, but I'm not sure. But yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. You know, hopefully these videos are good. Appreciate y'all for 1,080 subs now. Gonna keep on going, bro. All right, let's go back to the roads. I need to get over. I'm gonna go a different way actually, because this way is way too busy right now. I want to give you guys some better areas. This is like super. Y'all can hear that downshift though. Let's see if anybody's turning right. I'll turn right here if I have to, because sometimes this road is just impossible to get to. Y'all see all these places though? It's so wet outside today. I'm still gripping though, because as long as I'm in street traction, I'm able to like grip, which is a good thing. I got them all season tires, so they work pretty well for this type of weather. No performance tires, because if those are performance tires, I would not be gripping. Summer tires do not work in this weather. At least I don't know. I have never had summer tires on one of these cars. Both times I had a Hellcat or wide body Scat, they always have been. Okay, now I'm gonna go straight because this guy probably is gonna go slow. Why is this guy slowing down? Oh, of course. Of course. I ain't even gonna do anything. I'm just chilling. Like, it's so wet outside. I don't want to do too many erratic movements because y'all know what these cars do if you push the pedal too hard and it's wet. It ain't fun. That's for sure. But oh, there's that same Jeep. I've seen that Jeep there 1,000 times, just chilling. They must work there. The white Jeep. Jeeps are okay, but I feel like even a Trackhawk, to me, a Jeep, it just looks like a Jeep. At least put a wide body on it or something to make it feel more special. That's why I didn't go for a slim body Hellcat Charger, because if you get a slim body Hellcat Charger, it kind of looks like every what do you call Charger. Like it could look like a GT, you know. They could change the bumper, because the slim bodies look almost the same as a Hellcat. Only thing is the hood and the bumper. That's it, on the outside at least, and the rims and the brakes. But if you get a Scat Pack that is got the Dynamics package with the 6 pistons, then oh my god, that sounds so good. I'm gonna get on this side though. Oh, a Charger's over there. 344. Is that what it says? It's an RT. RT over there at that store. Old F-150 truck. Got a bunch of cars out here. Yeah, this thing is gripping pretty good. I'm kind of surprised. What is my gas mileage at? 11.6. Nice. Back in the auto. Don't come in front. Stay over there. Oh, I love that. Those downshifts sound so good. Kind of want to open my window more, but it's so cold. It's like 52 outside today, and it's wet as well, so. And me as well, I'm a little bit under the weather, but I'm bringing y'all this content. Like, I'm trying to give you guys good video content that I can put out for y'all as much as I possibly can, especially when I'm always like cooped up in my dorm. I don't have anywhere to be, but I just do these videos for y'all. You know, because I know you guys want them. Y'all see the SRT? Yes, sir. We in that big cat. We in the big cat. Ain't no regular Chargers around here. Behind the Honda Accord as usual. You know, you always gotta have some Honda around. Now here's where you gotta be more careful, because you can see the water on the road. It's kind of like when people are driving, it's kind of throwing some water particles. That means that the water around here is a little bit more thick, if that makes any sense. Like, you have to be more mindful of the fact that your tread might get caught in it. I haven't felt anything yet, so I think we're good, chilling at this point. Because once those front tires lose traction, you can't do anything to save the back. Or the front, I mean. The back will just try to push forward and it doesn't know where it's going. The wonders of having rear wheel drive. So you always got to be ready, like, to make sure you're not. Is this where I gotta go? I cannot tell. I can't even read that sign. No. God, that sound. Oh my God, I love it. Best car, you guys. Like, literally, if you guys are in the market for one of these, buy it. Because that's all you will ever want to hear is that sound. Like, listen to that. I got this car right on my bumper, just like, man, leave me alone. You are not competing with this. This thing is way faster than you will ever be, my guy. I'm going this way. Oh, he's following me. Oh, you keep following me. They keep following. I'll show them. Hopefully I can get some like dry road, and then I can show, because this is a turn, but I gotta make sure I can grip. Where are my tires at right now? Voltage is a bit high. 35, 36. Okay, that should be fine. These are not like 29 or something, 28. So I had some grip. You see that Durango over there? Old Durango. They definitely did a good job on the new Durangos. The new lights they did in the front, so much better. Because these were cheap looking. Look at that. I don't like that design. That's like so oldie. That's the only car that they changed the front end. Well, I guess you could say also the wide body Hellcats and Chargers, Scats, because they added that little, I like to call like an envelope slit in the middle, so it's kind of funny under the grill. Bro, when do we get our turn? We had to wait like a bunch of people. This is crazy. I'll catch you guys in a moment. Here we go. Hey, I hate people like you. Oh my God. Yeah, it gripped a little bit, but it did lose a little bit of traction. I felt it. Oh my God, got away from all those slow people. Person just pulled in front like that. If you see somebody turn and go to the other lane, people are just don't know how to drive. I'm telling y'all. Y'all gotta watch always whenever you drive, because you don't know what these people are gonna do to you. Literally. Yeah, accidents happen, but still it should not happen. They should be all fixed. Yeah, accidents should not be happening like that. Like, you cannot just pull in front when I'm turning. That makes no sense. Oh, it's all good though, we got around them. This road is so bumpy. It's very bumpy. Ice on hill and flat. Well, there's no ice, hopefully. Hopefully there's no ice. I would not want to be with in ice right now for any reason. Like, no. Y'all want to hear it a little bit? Let me open this window. Oh, y'all hear that? Y'all hear those pops? Bro, that was actually sounded really good. Those pops. Oh no, there's a Charger coming. Is this a Charger? Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's a Charger though. Bro, y'all heard those pops though? When you open the window, you can hear the pops. All right, well, now I gotta figure out where I'm trying to go. Where's the, they said it was at Pizza Hut. Now I gotta find out where they are with the Pizza Hut. Because it's supposed to be here somewhere. Oh, I see the Pizza Hut. I gotta get over. Oh my God. Wow, that thing sounds crazy. Oh, that Charger was mad. He did not like that. Oh, y'all hear the pops? Bro, this thing pops. That exhaust is just so good. But yeah, guys, we're pulling up to the first spot, so I'm gonna catch you guys in a moment. All right, y'all, so we are back in traffic. And now we are going to get on the highway. It's so busy right now, y'all. You can see all this traffic. Let me see if I open my window just a little bit. Y'all hear that? I know y'all hear that. It just sounds so good. Get on the highway. Let me close this window. Let's see. Let them. No. Oh, my blinker's still running. I don't need it yet. All right, let's see. Let's turn here. Let's see. Getting on the highway now. Oh my God, the highway's even busy. Where's this guy trying to go? Is he gonna go around? He's gonna go around. That's crazy. I wouldn't even do that. Oh my God, bro. Get. And this guy won't even move. Yeah, get out the way with your dealer plate. Woof. Popping. She is popping. Look at these roads. A lot of people though. There's a Camaro over there. I wish somebody would want to play on the highway. Nobody ever does. It's so boring. Oh, look. Oh my God. Well, this traffic is definitely crazy right now. A lot of trucks. Y'all hear the pops? Big dually truck. Alright, let's see, come on. Let's see if we can get around these people. It's a bit slow right now. Not here yet. I see a Chally. Let's see if this Challenger will do it. Nah, it's not anything quick. I don't know, maybe it is. Ooh, okay, buddy. Alright. Yeah, this area there's never anybody who wants to play in traffic. It's so annoying. I wish I could get some content like that, but not enough. Only motorcycles, and I really don't want to do anything with motor. And honestly, I didn't even have my GoPro on for that video. Probably would have been way better if I had the GoPro on, because I could have like drove a little better than one hand. But it's all good. Oh, there's a Mustang. I don't know if the Mustang wants to do anything. I know sometimes Mustangs will try to do stuff, but it's kind of rare. And to be honest, it's rainy today, so you really can't play much in traffic. Oh, that Mustang's kind of going. Let's see. Nah, he's kind of going, but that lane is gonna be stuck. He's kind of just cruising. See if I can get in front of this Mustang. Staying in the left lane for what? Let's open the window for that. Oh my God. think it's a 5.0 as well. I don't know, maybe not. Oh, some good driving. But I gotta go see some stuff at a dealership, and I'm gonna catch you guys when we get back in. All right, y'all, so we're getting back on the highway. I'm gonna leave the window open for just a little moment while we get on so you guys can listen to it. Oh my God, that sounds good. All right, we're on the highway now. Try to get them. Bruh, that wine is so nice. But yeah, honestly, one of my favorite cars I've owned. And I had a Challenger Hellcat. I didn't have my YouTube channel at the time to like record that, but I had that like 2 years ago, and it was good, other than the fact that Challengers just seem to be hit for me some reason. They're a real hit. Nah, but for real, they're just like bad luck for me. I'd never had any good luck with them. I had 2 Challengers and all accidents, and then Chargers I've had never. So definitely something weird about that, in my opinion. Like, oh, I'm gonna do that. Wash my windows. My windows are too fogged up. Is it raining? I think it is raining. To be honest, this traffic is so like tame right now. Like, yeah, it is raining. I'm gonna put my windshield wipers on. We finally have rain. I knew it was coming. I mean, you saw the weather today. It's definitely wet outside. It's not crazy rain yet, but I'm sure it's gonna start pouring at some point, so I'd rather get back and park before it gets too hard. But yeah, hopefully you guys have been enjoying the POV so far. Now it's nighttime, so it was daytime, but wherever I went somewhere and we took longer to finish eating, so that took a lot. And obviously it's only 6:20, but the sun is just gone like that, you know. You don't get the sun. But yeah, let's see if we could get some, you know. Actually, no, now I can't even open my window because it's raining. Get around there so I don't get stuck behind that Jeep. I do not want to get stuck behind anybody. I don't have the notes. Oh, these roads are bumpy. Bumpy roads. Oh, is that a fake? Look at the Kia. If you guys can see it front, I think that's a Kia. They like tried to copy the Charger lights. That is so funny. Y'all see it? Like, what is that in front? They did like this curve, and all I could think of is Charger lights. Literally. Look at that. What did they do this for? Kia. Oh, y'all just want to copy anybody you can. They always copy people, so it's no surprise. No surprises there, that's for sure. But here we go. I'll go with this guy, because oh my God, the traffic is kind of slow right now, so we gotta go past. All right, this guy's kind of going pretty good. Look at that, he's going. Now he's slowing down. Red light, of course. Of course. Y'all getting ice cream in this weather? No way, bro. I could not. I couldn't do it. It's way colder today. Why would anybody want to get ice cream on this type of day? I don't know. Definitely wouldn't be me, though. Oh, this traffic's insane. Got a lot of traffic. Oh, F-150. Little F-150 Sport. I don't think it's a V8 though. You know, that's the one thing about F-150s. You can never tell if it's a V8 or that's just a V6 truck. Now, if it's lowered and it's loud, Well, you know it's a V8 and it's got some work done to it. It'd probably smoke my car off the line. If it's lowered and it has a supercharger, yeah, that ain't gonna be fun. Now on a roll, I don't know. Maybe not, because it's heavier. It's still a pickup truck. But off a dig, oh yeah, no, this thing, unless this thing can grip on the dig, it won't be able to have a chance. It'll be spinning. And those trucks are all-wheel drive. Well, some of them are also just two-wheel, but most of the time people get the ones with all-wheel, I'm pretty sure. You know, I'll open my window a little bit for y'all. Oh my God, that whine. Y'all hear that? It's whining like crazy. But yeah, this is like some slow traffic right now. It's actually not even that cold, it's just wet outside. It's 55, so it ain't even that cold, not like yesterday. And yesterday wasn't this rainy, but it was cold. But today it's not like that. Today it's a lot better. Lot better. I can't even do anything because I'm like stuck behind these people. Yeah, that truck definitely doesn't have a V8. I can't hear anything in that truck. Definitely Eco. Eco Boost. That's a what? Tundra? Yep. Toyota Tundra. That is a V6. I know that. They used to be V8s, but they also got rid. I don't know how long I gotta be on this road because this traffic is slow. I kind of want to move. I'm passing you. We're driving like a leisure drive right now. Bro, this traffic is so slow. Both sides, everybody's just holding up lanes. That's the most annoying thing. And now I got a Fusion. What is that, a Camry? Oh, I should have got in front of this person. I should have got in front of this person. Yeah, this guy's not going anywhere. Sick of that. I just got stuck behind that person the whole time. Like, really? Crazy. We got it now, though. Oh, now we got more slow people. Gotta love it. Oh my God. That downshift. Insane. Popping like crazy. Oh my God. Y'all hear those little pops and burbles? It's doing it a little bit. It ain't like Oh my God, y'all hear that like popping from the exhaust? What? This man looking. What's up, bro?
Trying to get gapped by the daily driver.
Oh my God.
I like it though.
I appreciate you.
Good.
Yeah, I got just a Corsa Extreme on it and just an intake. That's it.
What is that?
A GoPro.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video. Oh my God. Yeah. Had to let him know. Oh my God! Pop it! This fan I ain't getting behind you. I'm gonna make this man look at the door. They ain't looking though. Bro, they like that. That was fun. See, I want to do that, like some friendly competition. Just some fun. Oh, there's a charger in front right there. I didn't even see him. Oh, this person was trying to go. Oh my God. Alright y'all, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. A little rainy POV for y'all. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.